In this video, we will learn how to back up the master boot record. We can make a backup of the master boot record MBR of a hard drive so we can restore or recreate our MBR and the partition table. Restoring it from a save file is more easy. So let's see how we can back up the boot record of the hard drive. I will use dd command which must be run as a root user. Non-root users do not have access to the hard drive devices file in the dev directory. So let's see the command. I need to type sudo, then dd, then if, and dev, and our sda, and then off. And over here we are going to set the file name, the backup file name to our temporary folder. So I will name it backup dot back, and then ps value set to 512, which is, or it stands for block size, and then the count value set to 1, which is the number of blocks to read from the source file, and then just hit enter, and you can see the 512 bytes copied and the file is written. And this file contains the content of the MBR, including the bootstrap code and partition table. We can see the content of this file by just typing the cat command and our backup file name. So that would be cat, and then temporary folder, and then our backup dot back. And here you can see the content of the file. So if we have our MBR damage, we need to boot to a rescue disk. We can use this command sudo. I'm just gonna clear so we can see the command easily. Sudo, then dd, then if, then and just set it to our backup file in temporary folder, backup dot back, and then off dev sda, and just hit enter. We don't need to specify the block size and block count for this, and this way you are going to restore your MBR. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.